Hi guys, namaste and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with my favorite Wai Wai recipe, so let's get started. These are the ingredients used for preparation. Here we are using Wai Wai, which is a pre-fried noodles which we can get it from any supermarket in Bangalore or you can buy online. Crush the Wai Wai and remove the masala packet and keep it aside. In a bowl, add chopped tomatoes, chopped onions, chopped boiled potatoes, kurkure, chopped cucumber, you can remove the excess water, chopped chili, peanuts, chopped coriander, red chili powder, chaat masala, peri peri masala, lemon, Wai Wai masala, salt as per your convenience, and refined oil. Mix it well and your Wai Wai Chatpata or chaat is ready to serve with chai or any soft drinks. I hope you guys enjoyed my quick and easy evening snack recipe. Please try and do let me know the feedback in the comments below. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.